How to auto scroll Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can auto scroll Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to auto scroll Instagram Reels in an official way, there is no way for us to do this, but there is an application called auto scroll on the Play Store which you simply want to download over here. So this right here, you'll find an application there, so just go ahead and select auto scroll screen and reels app. So type in auto scroll screen and reels, and once you've done that, you should be able to see multiple options. So download this app which I'm using here, then open it up and give it the required permission, and here you can simply tap on start service. Once you've started the service, after giving, you can see default scroll time is 25 seconds. I can simply set this to custom seconds over here. Now I'll simply go ahead and then open up my Instagram, simply go to the Reels tab and you'll find them. Just start it like this, then you can just hit the down arrow option over here in order to begin auto scrolling Instagram Reels. This way you'll be able to auto scroll Instagram Reels. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.